My name is Marco. I'm the Technical Service Manager at Industrial Solutions. I run the technical side of the shop as well as the machine shop. When looking for equipment, we always look for floor space and price. The saw has been great for us. It has performed very well. Can't really beat the price on it, and it doesn't take a lot of room. My guys have used it quite a bit in our production, and it always seems to perform well.
How's it going? My name is Derek. We're here working with Industrial Solutions. We had an old saw that we have in our corner in the shop right now, but it's too small for our fabrication use, and the cuts are not coming out accurate. So we got this new saw coming in. It's a great saw. It cuts really well. It cuts a lot bigger parts that we need, and my production sped up way quicker than it used to be in the past.
Hi, I'm David. I'm with Alvin High School, and I got the opportunity to work here at ISI as part of a program at the welding facility. And I've run this machine quite a bit, and it's very easy to operate, and it's very accurate.